Hello everyone, Habibi here. Welcome back to my channel. Here in this video, I'm going to tell you how to make a 360 image viewer in Unity. I have this 360 equirectangular image like this, and I'm going to show you how to use this image inside Unity and how to look around 360 degree on this image. The way to do that, first you need a sphere object. I already have a sphere object here. I made it with 3D Max and I can import it to Unity. The reason I made this sphere object, why I don't do the sphere inside this Unity, because let me show you. Here I have an empty scene, okay, and let me add a sphere here. And resize it this big, and let's import the image, the root image. Okay, and let's make a new material for this sphere. And use this image as an albedo for this material, and drag and drop the material to this sphere. Okay, so the reason I don't use this sphere, because as you can see here, the resolution of the sphere is not high enough. You can see the jagged edges of this sphere. That's why I made my own sphere here. I can import it to Unity, and I will delete this sphere and I use it in my scene. Scale it up. Now, as you can see, the sphere is high resolution, high poly. I need this one. Okay, then I use this material for the sphere. I know what you are thinking, but it is not done yet. I need to look around inside this sphere, but if I go to my camera, I cannot see the sphere because I'm inside the sphere. So I need a shader to render the sphere from inside, not from outside like this. So we need a shader. Here I have a link. I will share the link with you on the description of this video. Scroll down, here you can see a code. This is shader code. Let's copy and make a new shader file here. And name it, what was the name? InsideVisible. So name it InsideVisible. Then open the shader. You can edit it. Select all and paste the code that you already copied before. Paste it here hit save button, and now we can use it. Drag and drop the shader to this material. And that's all. If you go inside the sphere, you can look around 360 degrees of this equirectangular image. If you play the game, you can see it like this, but we need to rotate around the camera. So here inside this post, I also put a link. You can follow it. Open the link and you will find a Unity package. You can download it, and here is the file that I already downloaded from that link. I can import this package, and then I just click import. Okay, and let me go inside this imported folder, go to sample scene. Here we have this cube, and inside this cube we have a camera, and we also have canvas and event system. You need to copy this 3 1 2 3. You need to copy these 3 objects. Copy, go back to your scene, 360 scene, delete your camera, then paste those objects here, and let's try to play it. It is like this. So you don't need this cube. You cannot delete it, but you can make it invisible. Oh, I'm sorry. You can untick this mesh renderer and use it again and play it again. Okay, that's all for this video. I hope you like it, and see you next time on my next tutorials. Bye bye.